Excuse me, no pagans. Now seek validation, toast and admiration from you know your patrons. Why own a Ferrari with nowhere to park it? Why shop a Louis V when there is a Target? Now me hype on my face it. True minds me I save it. Them go fend if it trendy. Bank account can't empty. Acres over markets. Link my wife when me want sex.
So you heard them just before the break with their amazing rendition of Coffee's Lockdown, and just now with Yaxter's Ambition. Justin, Carl, and King Dale, together known as Island Kings, are taking over the social media spaces with covers of some top hits. That ends the interview because we're just going to sit back now and just make them sing.
We don't want to talk to
We're
nobody.
not talking to anybody this morning, so we'll just start singing.
We
We're not even laughing. We don't. Just start to sing.
Yeah.
We want to talk to you guys.
No. We don't have anything to tell you. Nothing like that.
We're not in no long talking. Come, let me start you off.
Bridget. Morning, welcome.
Morning.
Are you guys always in that car? Are you always in the car together? What's happening?
Basically. Pretty much. We live here. You don't see much clothes in here, Simone.
And Carl, you look like the driver.
Taxi driver, you got it right.
Tell me about the genesis. Where did it start? Why did it start? How did it start? Tell me about that.
So originally, I wanted to do some covers, just to propel my brand and to get myself out there more. But I thought about the fact that there's so many persons doing covers, and I just wanted it to be a little bit different. When I was younger, I had a group with my little brother and sister, and I remember us just doing very well and me enjoying it very, very much. So I said, if I do covers with two other people, I think it would just do much better. I thought about Carl first because I think he's just an exceptional singer.
Definitely.
And one of the best male voices, if not in the country. Well, the one I like. And then, I thought about Justin and I said, if three are we go in one car and sing some song, suppose we can go on a little thing. So that's how it really started.
This is really like karaoke. You see what I did there? See what I did?
I like that.
Listen, you gentlemen are amazing
Thank you
on
very
your
much.
own.
Thank you.
Well, you too, Nev.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
On a sound like money. I mean, I know about DL. DL, you've been doing your thing. Carl, you are amazing because you've been backing up. Why don't you have a solo career? And then Justin, obviously making your mark, but together you guys are magic. So how do you ever not do this again? This is a career, guys. This group is a hit.
It's amazing. When we started, we didn't think it would. I didn't expect it to blow up the way it has. And so it's been a blessing to see what has happened. Like crazy, people are reposting it, sharing it. Mm-hmm. It's gone super viral. And so now it's having to consider now, where do we go? Where do we go from here?
Where you go now?
And I think we should invest in it and take it further. So we'll see.
Yeah, Carl, it's interesting what Simone said because we've been having that discussion for many years. Me and you don't.
Years.
You remember Fortune Tellers?
Fortune Tellers, I'll never forget it.
Yeah.
I'll never forget
So
it.
we've been having
Amazing
this
time.
discussion for years. No, but Simone is right. A while ago, before you guys came on and we were listening to the Coffee song and the harmony and
it's crazy. The arrangement. So who does the arrangement? Who does those flats and sharps and who is that?
I do the original arrangement and then Carl takes over. So he pretty much says, all right, he thinks this is trash, he throws out one shot. That's not. Simone, we have a diva in this group, and it's Adiel, and so everything we do has to go by him.
That does not surprise me none at all that it would be there. Okay, I'm gonna put you on the spot. Give me a current dancehall song or reggae song. Quick time. You're gonna build something. On spot.
Current dancehall song.
Yes.
You give us the song real fast. Come give us fast song.
It's Control Room. Somebody give me a tune.
We didn't like the Yaxter still.
No, but they did the Yaxter already. So give me another coffee. Give me another coffee that's hot right now.
Yeah.
Mel, somebody.
Toast. Give me toast.
All right, let's
Toast.
go. Toast. Yes, bread.
Nice one. Ready. All right. So. All right. Where you? 1, 2. Hold on. Wait. So picking the key first. Where are we? Who has the melody? Blessings up, blessings fall. Already 1, 2. No, toast. 1, 2, 3, and toast. Yeah. So we are coming with a force. Blessings we are reaping a force in a handful. Hey, we no rise and boast. Yeah. Hey. So we give thanks like we need it the most. And we give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Say, blessings fall from my life and thanks for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall from the right hand.
Excellent. Booked. You're booked.
Justin, Sim said something earlier and said, how will you guys not do this anymore? But what are the plans, Justin? How many songs you're going to do? Or is this going to just work it out one at a time and say, make we do something?
As we actually discussed some weeks ago, or some days ago actually, we never expected this, as we said before. So, right now we're just getting a list of songs, trying to arrange them one by one. So we're trying to put more diversity in there now. So Carl arrange one, I arrange one, Dale arrange one, and then we take suggestions from other people. So, and then we're gonna see how this goes. As Dale said, that we want to reach the international market actually. So
yeah.
Let's see where this goes.
Yeah, all right. I'll arrange one too, all right?
No.
Why you said what?
I didn't say anything.
Oh. Right, best one that I'm never arranged.
That the one that you're going to do?
Yeah. No, all right. I'll be the dancer. I will never sing when you just be set in the car.
That is your
I see you practicing your moves. I observe you guys practicing your moves.
Yeah, did you see his dirt? He's good. He's dirt. Complete dirt.
Bridget. Brilliant. And Carl, we will continue our discussion when I see you, sir. But brilliant, and I hope it goes where you guys want it to go,
No,
Enjoy.
it has the legs to do it,
yeah,
for
man.
sure.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Could I get a bigger car still?
I think we should.
We're working on it.
We have to go to break. Christmas card is out. Come, away in a manger. Bye, guys. Come. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Away in a manger. Jump.
What?
No crib for a bed. Yes, go.
The Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head.
The stars. Don't drop it.
What?
A little Christmas is great.
It's a good thing when you know the words.
The Lord Jesus asleep on the sled.
You don't even know what that Christmas card just did for
Island
me.
Kings. And what better segue than this cover of Cartels in the weather?
Oh,
Y'all
there's
take care. Good to see
cartel.
you.
But wait.
Later.
Drop it, Chana.
The whole of Portmore and the whole of St. James. Remember me when we gone. Salt Spring, we're not going under. All get to youth, get your money longer. Ready, broke back in our work. Straight on in our now, make no wrong turn. Get the cheddar, money maker any weather. Bury treasure, dig it up away the leather. Get the cheddar, money maker any weather. Bury treasure, dig it up away the leather. Me fi have a chopper, watch it a propeller. Me house fi have elevator, not a ladder. Daddy say son, them a tell we say no better. No they but I like that, blessings are forever. Blessings are forever. Money longer, ready, broke back in our work. Straight from the narrow down, make no wrong turn. Get the cheddar, money maker any weather. Bury treasure, dig it up away the leather. Get the cheddar, money maker any weather. Bury treasure, dig it up away the leather. Get the cheddar, money maker any weather. Bury treasure, dig it up away the leather. Get the cheddar, money maker any weather. Bury treasure, dig it up away the leather, where the leather, where the leather.